How to get a high score in block blast. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to get high score in block blast. So there is a glitch on your mobile devices which you can use or take an advantage of. So first thing, just head over to your block blast application and click on play, and once you're inside here, just tap on the settings and click on this replay again and again until you get the three dot or three column icon. So let me just quickly show you once again. Just click on settings and click on replay button over here. So try replaying once again until you see the three block icon. So once you get a three block like this, simply drag and drop it and just place the five blocks item right above and underneath it. And once it understand the patterns, it will keep providing with you with the same patterns. And finally you should have a record of high score just like that by simply completing it once again. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.